got straight to it. Running to the back like I'm late to it. Got so much drive, I need brake fluid. These niggas don't do it like the Bay do it. Sheesh. I'ma get the bag or die trying. Sheesh.